Sometimes the only thing you need in your life is just eat delicious soup. This is Osoko soup. I want to show you how to make this soup. It is so delicious. To make this soup, you need your proteins. I'm using cow food. I'm using meat, beef. I'm using periwinkle, and I'm going to use fish. This is dry, well cleaned fish, and I'll be using blended okasi. Then I add the meat in the pot, added my stock cube, my onions, I added the dry fish, and then I let it cook for some time. And I went back to add the remaining onion, and then I add my blended egusi. This is blended egusi, not grounded egusi. I washed it and then I blended it. I added on oil. Yes, I added oil to this soup, and I'm going to add, this is my signature crayfish. I don't eat crayfish anymore. This is my own signature crayfish. I use bonga fish and prawns. So you watch my old video and see how I did this. So I add the cow food here because it's already nice, it's cooked already. So, and it's soft. And then I pour everything together. At this stage, you want to add your pepper, anything that you needed to add, salt. I don't add salt. If I put my stock cube, it's enough for me. Then you put the vegetable and then stir. Allow this to cook. You know this is video, so must allow it to cook very well. Yeah. Now the soup is ready. Guys, this is so delicious. This soup was the kind of soup that you'll be eating and you'll be singing and be jumping everywhere if you like food like me. So good. If you like this my video and you are new here, welcome guys. Please click the like button, share to your friends, save the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.